Good morning. Today we'll continue from question number 11. A group of 120 men had provisions for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men died due to an epidemic. How long will the remaining food last? So here first thing we have to see how many men are there. Number of men is 120 and the food will last for 200 days. Fine. So after 5 days, 30 people died. 30 अगर die कर गए हैं, in that case that means ये जो total people है 120, you will remove 30 from them, and finally we are going to see then what happens after 5 days. If 30 people die, then what the case will be. In such kind of questions, what we are going to do in the very first step, we will be subtracting this 5 from this. Fine. नंबर ऑफ डेज टोटल 200 थे. 5 डेज के बाद रिमूव हुए लोग या डाई कर गए, वॉट एवर द केस इज. सो यू आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट मेनी नंबर ऑफ डेज फ्रॉम दिस नंबर ऑफ डेज. सबसे पहला स्टेटमेंट में द सेम नंबर ऑफ पीपल विल बी टेकन. ओके, तो नंबर ऑफ डेज निकालना है तो ऑब्वियसली विल बिगिन विथ नंबर ऑफ डेज. नंबर ऑफ डेज number of days the food will last for 120 men is equals to 200 minus 5. You have to remember this thing. जहाँ भी इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा जहाँ पे 5 दिन 10 दिन आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज कुछ रिमूवल होके कुछ समथिंग लाइक दैट इज़ हैपनिंग, इन दैट केस यू ऑलवेज हैव टू डू द सेम थिंग. नंबर ऑफ डेज जो भी टोटल के लिए था उसमें से वो नंबर ऑफ डेज को रिमूव कर दो, जिसके बाद नंबर जो है नंबर ऑफ मैन या जो भी है वो रिड्यूस हो रहा है. सी now next step we'll write after 30 men were killed, number of men left is equals to 120. Now we are going to write number of days the food will last for 90 men. That's what we have to find out. Correct. तो उसको let कर लो, let the number of days the food will last for 90 men be x. Now if you remember, this is a question of direct inverse variation. So what we do, we simply multiply. For example here 200 into 125 और यहाँ पे 90 men है, x number of days है तो 90 into x. These two will be equal. So we'll write according to question. Correct. Now we'll make x the subject. x को यहीं रखो, ये 90 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो इस पूरे से आके यहाँ पे it will get divided. Correct. 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 1s are 3 6 18 3 5s are 65 into 4 will be equal to I think 260. We were finding out what days, so it will be 260 days. Now write down the same statement. यहाँ let था तो let नहीं लिखेंगे, therefore लिख लो the number of days the food will last for 90 men will be 260. You may write it this way also. I hope so it's clear. If not, please go through the video once again.